Good morning, students. I am Madhu Kushwaha, Assistant Professor in Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, Pharmacy, Bhopal. The topic name is the basal metabolic rate, BMR. The metabolic rate at which metabolic reactions use energy is termed as the metabolic rate. Sum of energy in used to produce ATP and some is released as heat. Thus, the higher the metabolic rate, the higher the rate of heat production, means higher the metabolic rate is direct affect the higher the rate of heat production. Several factors affect the metabolic rate. First one is hormones, exercise, nervous system, body temperature, ingestion of food are the several factors that affect the metabolic rate. The basal the basal metabolic rate. The basal metabolic rate BMR is the energy required by an awake individual during physical, emotional and digestive rest. It is minimum amount of energy required to maintain life or sustain vital functions like the working of heart, circulation, brain functions, respiration, etc. etc. The metabolic rate during sleep is less than BMR. Basal metabolic energy required to support the basic process of life, including circulation, respiration, temperature, and maintenance. It excludes digestion and involuntary activities. The basal metabolic rate, because many factors affect metabolic rate, it is measured under standard condition with the body in a quiet resting and fasting condition called a basal state. The measurement obtained under this condition is the basal metabolic rate, BMR. The most common way to determine BMR is by measuring the amount of oxygen used per kilocalorie of food metabolized. When the body uses 1 liter of oxygen to catabolize a typical dietary mixture of triglycerides, carbohydrates, and proteins, about 48 kilocalorie of energy is released. BMR is 1200 to 1800 kilocalorie per day in adult, about 24 kilocalorie per kg of body mass in adult males and 22 kilocalorie per kg in adult female. Relatively, relatively sanitary person to over 3,000 kilocalorie for a person in training for Olympic level competitions or mountain climbing. Factors that affect BMR. There are several factors that affect the BMR. Age. BMR higher in youth. Lean body mass declines with age. Physical activity can offset this effect. Height. Tall people have larger surface area than growth. Children and pregnant women have higher BMR. Body compositions, more lean tissue, higher BMR. Fever rises, BMR. Stress, environmental temperature, fasting, starvation, lower BMR. Malnutrition, lower BMR. Thyroxine, regulate BMR. These all are the factors that affect the BMR. Normal value for BMR. Since BMR is affected by body surface area, it is usually expressed in kilocalories per hour per square meter of body surface. The body surface area is calculated using the formula A is equals to W 0.425 into height 0.725 into 71.84. A denote area in square centimeter, H denotes height in centimeter, and W denotes weight in kilograms. The BMR is then calculated for the value of oxygen consumption, calorific value, and surface area. Normal value for BMR for adult male, normal value for BMR is 34 to 37 kilocalorie per square meter per hour, and for adult women 30 to 35 kilocalorie per square meter per hour. For easier calculation, BMR for an adult is fixed as 24 kilocalorie per kg body weight per day. Thank you.